Well, there's a headline you want to see. Tax lag. That's my life. So what's up, guys? So we're down like 17 grand today, so that's cool. Set a new record. Pretty excited about that. I was telling myself I wanted to sell Apple today. Surprisingly, one of my calls are up. And then let's just look at it together. So I don't know why you're looking at my face right now. So I don't know why those calls are up, to be honest, because like pretty much everything is down today. I mean, there are stocks that are up. You can see there, surprisingly, like there are stocks doing well today. I just don't understand. Of course, Bed Bath & Beyond, of course, the stock I have put option on is doing well. Basically, everything that could go wrong today is going wrong. So it's just really annoying. But there are, like, these options haven't moved. But even Tesla, which was up earlier this morning, is now down. I was relying on them to pull me out today, like, of this hole that we're in. But they're not doing anything anymore, so we're just getting slammed. I'm thinking about, I think Universal Display, I'm in the money on that one, I believe. So I'm going to probably sell that one. Well, I guess not much point in me holding on to it. Yeah, we're still in the money on that one, so we have to be profiting on that one. So I'm probably going to sell that one. I think I'm going to sell some more Apple calls. I still don't know why my Apple calls are doing better than most of the other ones, because Apple's been just getting hit recently. So I don't know, man. This sucks. This really sucks. Nvidia's getting hit. Really, like, again, this is like June 9th all over again, and I don't understand it. I really don't. This is just stupid. I'm thinking about buying some put options as protection. Yeah, see, there's Apple right at 150, so I don't know. I'm going to place some orders, and then I'll talk about it afterwards, because I don't want this to be another freaking 37-minute long video. So we'll just come back and see what's going on later. Alright, so all I did was sell Netflix because I was up pretty well on that, like over 100% return, I believe. And then with that money, I bought put options on Apple, and I'll show you here what exactly I bought. So that was the Netflix calls. We were up pretty well with that. I'll put the return on the left, what our total return was for that. And then we hit that strike really soon, like really quickly. And then I bought Apple put options just in case Apple continues to go down in October. I'm not expecting them to do very well because of their iPhone 8 not selling well, the Apple Watch having issues, iPhone 10 not having a lot of units being made. Just not a lot of good news coming out of them right now. And so I bought some put options just in case if their stock does go down. I anticipate it'll come back up once the pre-orders start for the 10. And just in case their stock does go down, we can make, I mean, there's like unlimited profit potential pretty much in theory with a put option when the stock goes down. And so I hope that I'll make a more return on this put option than what my calls will suffer. I mean, that's probably not likely because I have so many calls for Apple, but I'm just hoping that I can make some money on this if the stock does go down. I still want to hold on to these Apple calls because I have till January 19th or 2019. So I got a lot of time on them, so I'm not like really worried, but for the short term I am. So that's why I bought that. So I guess I have like $897 left to spend. I don't know what to buy with that, so I'll think about it, but if I make some decisions, I will report back to you. All right, we'll come back in a little bit. All right, so I just bought 2 more Albemarle calls because it was a little more affordable and I had some money left. Like, obviously I just said that, but I had enough to get 2 more of these to add on to the 2 that I already had, and so now I have 8 total calls with them. So I have 4 at the March 16th expiration 145 strike, and now I have 2. Oh, what? Oh, whoops. Okay, so I picked the wrong. Hold on. Okay, I just re-alphabetized it so I could find it. Sorry about that. So now I have 4 of the 145 strike and 4 of the 150 strike. I added 2 more of these, and I totally forgot I had these. So that's pretty cool. I'm actually excited about that because I do expect over time these will go up, and I figured why not take advantage of the fact that it was down today. And like, let's see, the 150 was down 16%, and so yeah, so I was able to, wait, no, I'm sorry, the 150 was down 29%, so I definitely got that at a discount compared to yesterday. So hopefully that'll come back up, especially with the Tesla news. Let's cross our fingers, because man, we're taking a hit today. What's up, guys? So yeah, today sucked. What can I say? Today was absolutely garbage. We lost like probably 21 grand today. So yeah, that was cool. Looking at the balance here, 112. I'm pretty sure we started the day at 134. Really, really crappy. Here are the positions that here are the trades that we did. Sold Netflix, bought an Apple put, bought 2 more calls for Albemarle, and hoping that these will go back up in the future. And this is more of a protective thing. If Apple goes down, we can make some money on that. So let's just look at what we did. We actually, believe it or not, had some winners today. We had advanced analog devices, up 18%. Home Depot went up 13% for us, so that was good. And then our Kroger put, since Kroger stock probably went down, we went up 3.16% on that. And this is kind of the funny thing. Check this out. This Apple call went up, and our Apple put went up, which is kind of funny because usually puts go up when the price goes down, and the calls go up when the prices go up. But it's kind of interesting that both of these went up. And again, maybe it's something to do with implied volatility. I don't know 100% for sure. If you do have a good theory, please comment in the comment section below. Would love to hear that. And we had a few handful of stocks that didn't move, and then we have all of the stocks that did horrible, which is pretty much almost everything. A lot of 20%, even some 30%, like just absolute garbage from all the good companies. It was just all tech companies. And so we'll talk about why I think that happened in a little bit. Let's just look at the watch list here. We did have some gainers. GoPro, 4%, believe it or not. So that is... I'm kind of mad when I see that because I used to have 25 calls on them and I no longer do. So let's just look at the rest of the watch list. Honestly, I don't even care at this point. I'm just so upset. One of our favorite stocks of all time, Universal Display, second to the worst performing stock of the day. So, all right, so let's talk about what happened. Over the weekend, I mean, what else normally happens when the market goes down? Trump. So I don't think we're in a recession. I feel like we're in a Trump session. So basically, like, every time Trump tweets something or talks, it's just like shit just comes out. And if you ever gotten like a shit smell on yourself and you walk into a room full of people, no one wants to get near you because you smell like shit and you're covered in shit. So when Trump says what he says, the market gets covered in shit and no one wants to be in it. So especially with tech, everyone wants out. And so people were just selling like crazy today. And so I'm not calling this a recession, I'm calling it a Trump session because that's what happened. Trump pissed everybody off. He was going after NFL players. He was going after Steph Curry and NBA players. He basically declared war on Twitter because that's how North Korea interpreted it. So he's messing things up like everywhere. Like a lot of people are pissed at him in America, definitely North Korea. No one likes him there. It's just every time he does stuff, people get scared and the markets go down, and it's really annoying. And I just don't know what else to say. I don't try to be political. I really don't, because this channel isn't about politics. It's related because obviously the tax reform bill that is being looked at directly impacts their stocks, because if the stocks do successfully get lowered and businesses can pay lower taxes, their profits will go up, stocks will go up. But they're not focusing on that. Trump just keeps getting distracted with the NFL and other things, and he just says stupid shit, and then everyone gets pissed. And then the North Korea stuff, which is the most serious right now, he's not handling, in my opinion, he's not handling that very well. He's kind of just, he's speaking before he's thinking, and I think that's going to be very dangerous. And North Korea already said they're going to shoot down some bomber planes, and if there's people flying those planes, they could die, and if we go to war, we could send troops there and they could die. I just don't like that whole scenario, but I don't know. I don't know if we need to go there or not. Like I said, this is a channel about stocks. I don't know hardly anything about the military and how they're going to go about this North Korea thing, but I'm just talking about how it's been impacting us, and we had our worst day ever. So we lost over 20 some grand, probably dropped like 49 grand in the last week. This is our worst hit we've ever taken, and my gut's telling me tomorrow is not going to be any better. It might be a little bit better, but it's not going to be good. And so I'm thinking tomorrow I might just start selling everything that I own and then setting limit orders to try to get back in them at lower prices instead of buying puts. I don't know. It's going to get kind of messy, me trying to keep track of puts and calls. So I don't really know how I'm going to do that. But anyways, sorry this video kind of sucked. If you have any opinions at all, please comment in the comment section below. What do you think we should do with North Korea? What do you think we should do about stocks? Yeah, I know it'll be a while before this video gets uploaded. I apologize, but hopefully it won't be too late. So with that said, I hope if you guys want to support me and the channel, please hit that like button, and that would make me feel a lot better, because today I felt horrible. And if you could subscribe, please do that. That would make me so much more happy than I am right now. To all you that are subscribed, thank you guys so much. I love you. You guys really do make me have so much fun with this channel. And please keep commenting. Please keep asking questions and all that. So with that said, I hope you guys had a better day than I did. We'll see you guys tomorrow. So hope you guys have a great night.